For this lesson, I'll show you how to evaluate expressions. Right, so let's start off by writing out a simple expression. Let's say we have 3x plus 1, right? And I'm going to tell you that x is equal to 5, right? So that's given, x is equal to 5. So how would we solve or evaluate this expression? Well, think of the x as a box, right? Let's make a box for x plus the 1. Okay. Now, what am I going to put inside that box? Or in this case, the brackets, right? Well, since x is equal to 5, this x here is equal to 5. I'm going to substitute that x and put a 5 in there, right? So 5 for x. So now I can evaluate this expression, right? So now this becomes 3 times 5, which is just 15, plus the 1, so this is 16. Alright, so we evaluated the expression. Alright, let's try a harder one. Let's say we have 1/2 x plus 5 and divide that by 3, right? So now I'm going to tell you that x is 8, right? So x is 8. So again, you can rewrite this over. So instead of x, I'll make a box or a set of brackets, right? So 1/2, right? So I'm not putting x there, plus the 5, and everything divided by 3. Alright, so actually let's just divide the 2 here. Alright, so now what are we going to plug into the box of the brackets? Well, we know that x is given as 8. So guess what? Bring that 8 over and put it in there. So the 8 goes there, right? And now we can solve or simplify this expression a bit more, right? So half of 8 is just 4. So half of 8 is 4, right? And then you have the plus 5 there, plus 5, right? And divide everything by 3, right? So now we know 4 plus 5 is just 9. Divide that by 3, and our final answer is just 3, right? Because 3 goes into 9 3 times. And that's our final answer. Okay. Now let's try one more. Let's say we have z over 7 minus 3, right? And I'm going to tell you that z is equal to 21. Okay, so now this expression we're going to rewrite, right? So I can make parentheses instead of brackets now, right? So make a set of parentheses for z over 7 minus 3, and the z, right? The z here is defined as or given as 21 for the value of z, right? So instead of z, I'm going to write 21 inside the set of parentheses, right? So now we follow PEMDAS. We're going to do the division first. So 21 divided by 7 is 3 minus 3. So the final answer is 0. right? Here it is, 0.